itinerary. Now repeat after me. Itinerary, itinerary. Meaning, an itinerary is a detailed plan or schedule of a journey, including the places to visit and the times for each activity. In a sentence, the travel agent prepared a comprehensive itinerary for their vacation to Europe. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using itinerary. Synonyms: schedule, agenda. Antonyms: spontaneity, disorganization. Part of speech: itinerary is a noun, referring to a planned schedule for a trip or journey. Now, repeat after me. Voyage, voyage, voyage. Meaning, a voyage is a long journey, especially one taken by sea or to distant places. In a sentence, the crew prepared for a challenging voyage across the Pacific Ocean. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using voyage. Synonyms: expedition, journey. Antonyms: stay, stopover. Part of speech: voyage is a noun referring to a long journey, especially by sea or to far-off destinations.
Now, repeat after me. Transit, transit. Meaning, transit refers to the act of moving people or goods from one place to another. It can also refer to a transportation system. In a sentence, the city has a well-developed public transit system for commuters. Synonyms: transportation, passage. Antonyms: stationary, immobility. Part of speech: transit is a noun.
Passport. Now, repeat after me. Passport, passport. Meaning, a passport is an official document issued by a government that certifies a person's identity and citizenship, allowing them to travel internationally. In a sentence, she checked her passport twice before heading to the airport for her international flight. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using passport. Synonyms: travel document, identification. Antonyms: restriction, ban. Part of speech: passport is a noun referring to an official document used for international travel. Now repeat after me. Excursion, excursion, excursion. Meaning, an excursion is a short trip or outing, often for leisure or educational purposes. In a sentence, the school organized an excursion to the Science Museum for the students. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using excursion. Synonyms: trip, outing. Antonyms: stay, residency. Excursion is a noun referring to a short journey or trip. Now repeat after me. Destination, destination. Meaning, a destination is the place to which someone or something is going or being sent. In a sentence, their destination for the weekend getaway was a quiet cabin in the mountains. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using destination. Synonyms: goal, terminus. Antonyms: origin, departure. Part of speech: destination is a noun referring to the endpoint of a journey or travel. Luggage. Now repeat after me. Luggage, luggage. Meaning, luggage refers to the bags, suitcases, or other items people use to carry their belongings when traveling. In a sentence, she packed her luggage carefully before heading to the airport. Now it's your turn. Can you use luggage in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Baggage, suitcase. Antonyms: none commonly applicable. Luggage is a noun.
Now, repeat after me. Embark, embark, embark. Meaning, embark means to begin a journey or an important task. It can also mean to board a ship, plane, or other vehicle. In a sentence, they decided to embark on a road trip across the country. Synonyms: begin. Antonyms: conclude, finish. Part of speech: embark is a verb.
Jet lag. Now repeat after me. Jet lag. Meaning, jet lag is a feeling of tiredness and confusion that people often experience after traveling across different time zones quickly by airplane. In a sentence, after flying from New York to Tokyo, she struggled with jet lag for several days. Now it's your turn. Can you use jet lag in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: fatigue, exhaustion. Antonyms: energy, alertness. Part of speech: jet lag is a noun.
Now, repeat after me. Accommodation, accommodation. Meaning, accommodation refers to a place where people stay, such as a hotel or apartment. It can also mean an adjustment to meet someone's needs. In a sentence, the hotel offers comfortable accommodation for travelers. Lodging, housing. Antonyms: now, inconvenience, part of speech. Accommodation is a noun. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.